President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government is continuing to neglect the welfare of civil servants, failing to promise an improvement in their salaries and working conditions unless the comatose economy shows signs of recovery. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. During his Independence Day speech at Murambinda B High School in Manicaland on Thursday, Mnangagwa said civil servant salaries would only be reconsidered when the economy gets better. The welfare of our civil servants will continue to be reviewed in line with economic sustainability, said the cryptic Mnangagwa. The statement by ZANU-PF leader is likely to further dampen the spirits of already desperate civil servants, particularly teachers, nurses, and doctors who have expressed dissatisfaction with their low salaries. This has led to strikes and other subtle forms of boycott that have irked Mnangagwa and his henchmen. In today's news, Mnangagwa says there will be no salary review for underpaid civil servants unless economy improves. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.